Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Python idle. Just search for Python idle download. Open the first page over here. You can install the latest version for Windows by clicking this button. But if you are using 30-bit operating system or Windows 7 or earlier version of Windows, you have to install this Python 3.8.1 now. I am going to install the latest version of Python. Once you install this file, just open it. Okay guys, mine is already installed. Just click for opening. Click install now button. It's installing now. The speed of installing is up to your CPU. Okay guys, setup was successfully installed and now we can close it. I'm going to open it just for make sure it's working correctly. Just type hello world or some mass operation. As you can see, it's working correctly.
I would like to also mention the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Interpreter translates just one statement of the program at a time into machine code. Compiler scans the entire program. For example, Python idle is interpreter, but PyCharm has both of them. Thanks, bye.